Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video, we learned how to do in-order traversal of a binary tree in an array implementation. Hope that idea was clear. Now in this video, let's see how to do pre-order traversal of a binary tree in an array implementation. Now as we already know that in a pre-order traversal, first we visit the root node, then we visit the left child, and then the right child. So here in this algorithm we are doing the same thing, that is, first we are checking if index is greater than last used index or not. If it is, then we need not do any recursive call. Else we print the roots value, which is 20 in this case, and then we recursively call index into 2. Now what is index? Index is 1. So 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So what is 2? 2 is having value 100, which is nothing but the left subtree. Similarly, here we are doing a recursive call on index into 2 plus 1, that is 1 into 2 plus 1, which equals to 3. So what is there in 3? 3 is having value 3. Now what is 3 here? 3 is nothing but the right child or the right subtree of this bigger tree. So we see here, first we printed 20, then we did a recursive call on left subtree, and then a recursive call on right subtree. So this is how we do a pre-order traversal of a binary tree in an array implementation. Now I am not going in the details of how the internal stack and all those things works. If you want to see all that, please go to pre-order traversal of a binary tree linked list implementation video. We have talked about all those things in lot of details. Now since the internal stack working will be exactly same, so I am not going in the details once again. Fine. So I hope you have understood how to do a pre-order traversal. Now let's see what is the time and space complexity of this algorithm. So comparing the index with last used index, constant time operation, returning is a constant time operation, else is a constant time operation, printing a value is a constant time operation. Now here we are doing a recursive call which will divide the original tree into exact two halves. Hence the time complexity for this becomes t of n by 2, assuming that the original algorithm will take t of n time. Similarly, this recursive call also will be t of n by 2 time. Now if we add all of them using back substitution, we can get time complexity of order of n. Space complexity will be again order n, because it will use internal stack, which in the worst case will have to push and pop n number of nodes of the tree, and that will take order of n space complexity. Fine. So I hope you have understood how to do a pre-order traversal of a binary tree in an array implementation. Now in the next video, let's talk about post-order traversal of a binary tree in an array implementation. So let's do that in the next video. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.